Hello everybody, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to post on LinkedIn using n8n. This will help you automate your LinkedIn activity and save time. You do not need to write every post manually anymore. Let's go step by step and build a workflow that does this for you. First, make sure you have n8n installed and running. You can run it locally on your computer or on a cloud server. Open your n8n editor in the browser. Now we will create a new workflow. Click on New Workflow in the top menu. Give your workflow a name like Post to LinkedIn. Now we need a trigger. This trigger will start the workflow. You can choose any trigger, such as a schedule, a webhook, or a manual trigger. For now, we will use the manual trigger. In the search bar on the left, find Manual Trigger and drag it onto the canvas. Next, we need the LinkedIn node. In the search bar, type LinkedIn. Choose the LinkedIn node and place it after the manual trigger. Connect the manual trigger to the LinkedIn node by clicking and dragging the arrow from the trigger to the LinkedIn node. Now, it's time to set up your LinkedIn account. Click on the LinkedIn node. In the Settings panel, you will see an option to create a new LinkedIn credential. Click on Create New. You will need to log in to your LinkedIn account and allow n8n to access it. Follow the instructions on the screen. Once done, your LinkedIn account will be connected. In the LinkedIn node settings, under Resource, select Post. Then, under Operation, select Create. This means we want to create a new post. Next, you need to enter the content of your post. In the text field, write the message you want to post on LinkedIn. You can also use variables or connect this step to other nodes if you want dynamic content, such as from an RSS feed or Google Sheet. But for now, just type a simple message like, "This is a test post from n8n." Make sure everything is connected properly. You should now have two nodes on the canvas. One is the manual trigger and the other is the LinkedIn post node. The arrow should go from the manual trigger to the LinkedIn node. Now, let's test the workflow. Click Execute Workflow at the top right corner. You should see that both nodes run successfully. Go to your LinkedIn profile and refresh the page. Your post should be there. If you want to automate this, change the manual trigger to a schedule node. This way, you can post every day or every week, or connect it to a Google Sheet to post whenever you add a new row. This is how you post on LinkedIn using n8n. You can customize it further by adding more steps, like shortening links, formatting text, or using templates. Experiment with it and make it fit your needs.